Hello friends, my name is Teacher Alex, and today we are going to be doing a shape drawing activity. So what we're going to need for this is we're going to need a piece of paper. We're going to need a writing utensil, so a pen, a pencil, anything you guys want. And we're also going to need some shapes. So you guys can cut out as many shapes as you guys want. You guys can look in your materials bag and see if you guys have any shapes that you can use in there. Or you can just use items out of your house and make shapes out of those. So today we are going to be using the shapes a circle. We're going to be using a triangle. We're going to be using a square. And then we're also going to be using another little square. So we're gonna see how many drawings that we can come up with just using the shapes that we have in front of us. So let's get started. I am going to start with my square. So I'm gonna set it right here. And this is really helpful, especially if you're learning how to draw and how to trace and how to recognize different shapes. So there's an endless amount of projects that you guys can make for this. So I'm going to start with a square, then I'm going to go to my triangle. Maybe some of you guys can guess what I might be making out of these shapes. All right, so as you guys can tell, I was able to make a house. So I used the square for the house. I used two little squares for the windows. I was able to use the triangle for the roof. And then I also used another big circle for the sun. So there's a bunch of different pictures that you guys can draw with different shapes. Here's another example. So I was able to make this cute little cool person, and I used a rhombus. I used two triangles as the arms. I used a circle as the head. I used a triangle as the hat. I used two little circles as the eyes. I was able to use a triangle for the nose, and I was able to use a rectangle for the mouth. In this picture, I was able to draw a cool little train or car. So I used a rectangle for the car, I used two circles for the wheels, and I used a triangle for the front of the car. So there really is an endless amount of activities and drawings that you guys can come up with, and I would love to see what you guys have been able to make. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.